Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be tackling a problem with the car, particularly the driver's door. It's that it doesn't lock at all. Now, I'm filming this on the same day as the cleaning video. Still got a bit of time left, so hopefully I can get it all done today. But before I get into that, I'd like to say, if you haven't already, if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe into my channel and like in the videos if you like, and subscribe. Really does help the channel to grow, and it keeps you informed if you when I upload a video of this car or any project vehicle of mine or any car in general. The driver door, it doesn't lock with the key, it doesn't move at all, and you can't push the button down. I know a lot of you begin, oh, you got the door got to be shut. Yep, I know. The door shut both times, completely shut, and it wouldn't lock. So I need to take the door card off and investigate what is causing the door not to lock. Now, I've not taken a W126 door card off before, so I don't know exactly where all the screws are going to be hidden. But I do know with a 190, with a W201, there's not that many screws. I believe there's two screws, something like that. Maybe even one, I think, and you lift it off. But so now there's not going to be that many screws to take this door card off, which is good. So I need to get into it and see just how much work I need to do to find the fault. So I'm going to sit you up probably on the driver's seat so you can look at what I'm doing. But first I need to get my toolkits out. So should I need the one toolkit, I hope, and I'll show you what I do to get on with it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're taking the door card off, is gently pop these switches off. They should come off like so. Don't want to lose any of them. And don't forget the headrest one as well. And that's fallen off. In fact, saw where it went, luckily. So that should mean this panel can come off now. If there's anything holding this off, oh, this whole thing come off. I don't know about that. I think you should try to get this off first. So, it's coming off gently. And that's off. Very nice. I've never done this, I've never done this on a W126 before, so it's a learning curve for me as well. Imagine this has to come off somehow, because if like the W201, there's a bolt behind here. Right, next a little bit of trim here. Nope. Okay. I just need to keep trying to get this little bit out here. I think it's been out before, but trying to get into it, that's the problem. Got it. Aha, we're getting in. We're find out how to get into the car now. Well, the door card at least anyway. Right, get a Philip attachment and undo this screw. It's looking a bit wasteful around the screw, but hopefully, yes, there we go. I'm blocking your view for a minute with my arm, but hopefully you get the idea of what I'm doing still. Doesn't look too bad. Right, hopefully now. Yes, there we go. Get that. Need to get this off now. Actually, I've got to undo the switch. I think I might do. Yep. I didn't want to have to undo the switch, but see if I can just loosen it. See if I can that would do the job rather than actually undoing it or taking it out, I mean. Right. Alright, I've loosened it. See if that's any better. There. I'm trying to lever it off of the switch. There we go, we've got it. Oh dear, we're looking a bit dirty. Right, you can need quite a big screwdriver in this one. I would have thought it would have been a bolt like a 190, but obviously not. We're not getting this off anymore. No, nothing. Definitely gonna get any more, unfortunately. Not until this bolt's undone. Or the screw. And it come off quite nice actually. I was expecting this to be to put up quite a fight, given how rusty it is. Or corroded before the bolt. One more screw in here. I cheated. I looked online how to do it. You see if any breakage. Nothing on the brake, I don't know how to undo. No harm in looking online, especially when it comes to an old Merc. These parts are not exactly too easy to come by. There we go, taking that off. Perfect. Now this can come off. Get out of our way. There's one more screw here to take off. It's definitely well built, this car. Actually no, I don't know about that actually. This is definitely one well built car. I'll give the Germans that. It's well built together, well put together. Now, are we free to? Yes, we're moving. Open the John door here. And wait. Right. There we go. Oh, get it off. Just going to quickly take this light out. Now I'll tell you one thing for sure. I straight away prefer these dual cards to the 190 dual card. I'll turn it around in a minute and show you why. Get back down here again. The dual card is plastic. You've got a bit of wood, bit of the old cardboardy style here, but the bulk of the dual card is plastic, which is much better. The problem with the 190 dual cards is they get a bit wet, a bit moist, and the wood part inside like this all break and disintegrate and means the door card goes all floppy. But these door cards are actually proper well built. Good, I like that, it's nice. This has all been cut before, but we have to do something about it. But we need to pull this down and look at the lock here. Oh, and it looks grim already. I'm putting it in the back and get myself some candy off magic. Right, I'm back. I'm myself a can of magic. I've got myself a WD-40. Other brands are available and I do the same stuff. This is a brand new can, like I emptied the entire can repairing that engine. Yeah, enough. Might as well have been a full can. And I'm just gonna leave this mechanism a bit. Yeah, I probably could take the whole thing out, but I'd rather not if I don't have to. We're now getting this in movement. A little bit at a time. Oh, actually, my the door's locked. Oh, actually, I think it's the door's locked. Right. Yay! There we go. We've freed up the mechanism. Brilliant. Shame we've got to do any work to do it, but right. So I'm gonna let that can of magic do its job. But once that can of magic finished doing that job, I've got a different can of magic right here. Again, other ones are available. This is just what I bought. I can get it quite cheap. So not cheap, but you know, it's readily available. Probably be the better word. So once that's done its job, I'm going to spray this stuff in there, so this is a lubricant, and that hopefully it got on it, reduces friction and drives out moisture. So once that's done its job, I should apply that on there, and hopefully it will keep the moisture out like it says. But I'm going to go and get the key for the car. Let's take these off, make a ruin, I'm holding them. I'm going to get the key for the car and see if the door actually locks now. Unfortunately, the key still doesn't work on the lock. I'm guessing now it's either the wrong key for the lock, or the actual lock barrel itself is so far gone, it's just isn't allowing the lock to work anymore. But the main thing is, the door actually locks now, so that's a good thing there. So I'm going to start reassembling the door, and then move on to the next one, the next door, which will be the passenger door. That doesn't lock either. So we need to get on to doing that as well. I've got myself here some packaging tape. No, it's obviously brown and not the right colour. Obviously you want like a normal tape and match. Well, this doesn't really matter, I'm being honest with it. A normal colour tape wouldn't be so obvious. You could at least take something been in there. But I'm going with packaging tape. Due to the fact how strong it is compared to other tape, it's a lot more sticky as well. Not sure that it'll stick too well, but all I'm going for, I think I should get a new one of these back in, but all I'm trying to do at the minute is protect the door card when it goes back on. I had planned on doing the driver's door and the rear driver's door, rear passenger door, but driver's side in one video today, but that's not going to happen unfortunately. There's not enough time left to do both of them. It's only going down and it's getting quite nippy quite quickly, so the rear door is going to be a different day, unfortunately. That'll be just a quick video. But yeah, so I've noticed actually the door shuts a bit better now, I think. Well, not shut, but locks a bit better. And I suppose you can say shuts a bit better as well. But it helps if I actually pull it. So I think it actually works a little bit better, and wrong kind of real angle here, but that obviously shuts now. I didn't do it before. Again, open. But so I think it works a bit better now. I'll definitely say I'll definitely go that far and say it definitely shuts a bit better, which is nice. But just getting Just getting in this boat of a car, it's so nice. It really is. And unlike the 190, I mean the 190 is a lovely car, don't get me wrong, but when you get into the 190, you think you're low into the car. And after you're quite a low car already, it's not exactly high. But in this car, you don't actually think that low, but you still feel quite low. It really sounds going off all day today, isn't it? But yeah, it's still need to work on the accelerator pedal, but quite a few jobs again I still need to do to the car, but still I need to work on the security of the car. So at the time while filming this, my real start video should have just about gone out. So currently at a minute, currently at a minute of filming this video, it's actually rendering, and it will be uploaded tonight to YouTube. But again, that's going to be a different video. But I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you like and subscribe, helps you see the channel to grow. And it also notifies user viewers when a new video is released. So once again, if you're on a drive, I'll see you in my next video.